So at the end of this video, you're going to see some bloopers because this was not easy to put together. I'm not going with any sheet music. I'm just going from my memory, which is not my greatest strength. And it's after a long day of teaching and I'm kind of tired, and you'll notice that through the blooper reel at the end. So, hi, it's Miss Chalone and I'm here to teach you the second half of Star Wars, all right? So the second half of Star Wars is that dun 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 dun, that little part there. So first I'm going to play it through. And then it goes back to that first part. Okay, so this first part happens a few different times, so you really want to get it, okay? D, D, E, E, C. D, D, E, E, C. Play that with me. One more time. And it goes B, A, G, G, A, B. So it's almost like hot cross buns. B, A, G, and then it reverses G, A, B. Okay, let's put that together, starting with the low D. One more time. So far, so good. The next part, A, E, F sharp, A, E, F sharp. F sharp is that Fido. Woof, woof, he's a sharp dog. So that you just slip that on. This one's open, this one's open. So A, E, F sharp. So we'll just add that on, okay? Let's do the B, A, G, G, A, B, A, E, F sharp part. Okay, starting from that hot cross buns, basically. Ready? Here we go. Do that again. Okay, let's put it together for the first part. Ready? Here we go. So it again. One more time. And then it actually does happen a second time, but it changes a little at the end. And here's where it changes. It goes D, A. So that's pretty simple. Let's just do that second part, starting the same, but then it changes to the D, A. Do that again. One more time. Okay, let's put those first two together. All right, 1, 2, here we go. Okay, and then it actually repeats the first one again. Okay, so you have the first one, the new one that goes D, A, and then the first one again. And then we have the really tricky part, all right? So first, let's just make sure you have that all together, all right? Ready? Here we go. so now the tough part, the descending scale with a couple of tricky fingerings in it, okay? The high G that you learned from before. The high F, okay, high F, we're gonna do a cheater F, and we're just gonna do this one and this one. We're gonna leave the middle one off, okay, and pop that thumb. So that's gonna be your high F. The next one after the F is E flat. Now, E flat, you have regular E, plus you're popping your thumb. But then this finger right here, do you see that little part where there's two holes there? You're only gonna cover the closest one to your finger. You're gonna leave that second one open, all right? That's E flat. So we'll be playing the high one, so you pop the thumb a little bit. So high G, high F, high E flat. Let's just try that. Do it a few times with me. Again. Okay, after that comes D, C, then B flat, 1 and 3 and 1 and 3. So both middle fingers off. B flat, A, G. So high G, high F, high E flat, high D, C, B flat, A, and G. Let's try that together. Nice and slow, just down the scale. Let's do that again. The next note is a high D before it goes back to the first part of the song. That part, okay? So let's do that scale again down, adding the high D after. Do it again. One more time. Now, it's actually twice that fast, and you're probably not going to be able to just do it right like that. You're going to have to practice that scale probably 3 to 5 days over and over until you can do it about this tempo. All right, so let's do the whole new part together. All right, 1, 2, here we go. I might have forgotten those 2 Ds before the scale, okay? So that's all the way together. I did the ending kind of slow. Now I'm going to do it more up to tempo, okay? Ready? Here we go. So now I'm going to put the whole Star Wars together, the part we did before in the other video and this one. All right? Welcome to play along if you want to give it a shot. Here we go. Ready? Here we go. like a little coda at the end. Something like that. Anyway. All right. So until next time, happy practicing. Hope you enjoy. F sharp. So oh my God. I am too tired to do this. Hello, this is really driving me crazy.